In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate recurring invoices with Monday.com and Quickbooks. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and save valuable time, ensuring your invoicing process becomes almost effortless. So let's dive in and explore these steps together. First things first, open up Monday.com and navigate to your homepage. This is where you'll have access to all your boards and can easily start setting up the automation we're about to create. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. The next step is to select the board you want to automate. This could be a board specifically for clients you regularly invoice, or perhaps a general accounts board. Once you're on the right board, you'll be setting the stage for automation tailored to your needs. Take a moment to ensure all the information on your board is up to date, with correct client details and scheduled tasks. Now head over to your profile on Monday.com. You'll usually find it at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on your profile will reveal important options, including the one we need next. Automation. This is your gateway to transforming your invoicing workflow. Once you've clicked on automation, look for an option to create one from scratch. This option allows you to tailor the entire automation process specifically to your needs instead of using predefined settings. This will bring up a series of templates and tools designed to make integration between Monday.com and other software seamless. In the search bar, within the automation section, type Quickbooks. By searching for Quickbooks, you set the focus of your automation towards integrating with this specific accounting software. This is crucial for ensuring that going forward, all your invoice details seamlessly sync with Quickbooks. After searching, you'll see a host of available templates. Browse through them and find one that is related to invoicing. These templates are pre-crafted considering common practices and requirements, which makes them an ideal starting point. They include draft conditions and actions that you can easily adapt to perfectly fit your particular needs. When you've found a template that aligns with your goals, go ahead and click on Use Template. This step will apply the chosen template to your board and allow you to make final tweaks. Before you save it, double-check all conditions, such as the recurring frequency and specific invoice details that are automatically generated. This is the final piece to put in place to set your automation rolling, and that's it. You've just automated your recurring invoices using Monday.com and Quickbooks. By following these steps, you've effectively set a system that can significantly reduce the time and effort spent on manual invoicing, allowing you more space to concentrate on growing your business. Thanks for watching and happy automating.